Assalamu alaikum friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, over you, I hope I will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, crochet stylish sofa set designs ideas collection. Sofa set cover designs ideas collection. Beautiful, stylish home decorative ideas. Very amazing, colorful patterns, flowers ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and share to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in next video.